Hi guys, in this video I will compare the sound of the JBL Flip 4 with the Anker SoundCore 2. What you have to know about the speakers that the Flip 4 has two drivers, each 8 watts, and two external passive radiators. The Anker SoundCore 2 is set to have two 6 watts drivers, however I have disassembled it and apparently it had two 5 watts drivers, so I'm not sure. It also has a passive radiator in the middle. Currently the Flip 4 costs around $80–90, while you can buy the SoundCore 2 for around $40, so you can say that this is not a fair comparison, however it's still interesting. These speakers are quite popular, I like both of them, so let's see how they perform. I will play some songs and share with you my personal opinion. So let's play the songs. I think both speakers have a clear, natural overall sound. I felt the treble of the SoundCore 2 a bit too overpowered, harsh sometimes, while in contrast by the Flip 4 it was too soft. Regarding the bass, it's obvious that the Flip 4 has a better, deeper bass, however considering its price, the SoundCore 2 performed also well. Overall I think the Flip 4 has a warmer, more refined sound. In terms of maximum volume level, the Flip 4 is a bit louder, but it's not significant. So this was the comparison. Please let me know in the comment section what do you think about the speaker. If you liked the video, press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I was Norbert Kopasz and you watched The Speaker Fanatic.